Hey! And guys, I believe I made a friend. Hey, hey man. Hey bro. What's going on, man? Oh no, no, you are dirty, man. Holy. No, no. Hey. Oh. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and this time another video fixing wiper arms. In the last video I replaced the motor of the wiper arms in the Fiat Bravo. This time it's time to fix, because it's not also working, the wiper arms on the Audi A3. So guys, in the Fiat Bravo I replaced the motor because the price cost of a used one was like 60 euros, and just the brand new motor was like 50. So I choose to replace the motor. This time I will replace the full mechanism, because it was way cheaper than, you know, replace the motor. These ones cost me, I believe, 23 or 24 euros, and also should be way easier or faster than the Fiat Bravo. And guys, once again I need to do this like a kind of fast, because I'm not at the garage, I'm in the middle of a park, so I need to do this quite fast, and will start raining really soon and will not stop. So I just have maybe 1 hour to do this. Of course for you it's really fast, but for me it's not so fast. So guys, the Audi is the kind of dirty right now because it's parked for like 8 months or 9 or something like that. But let's go straight to the point. You know that I'm trying to recover this Audi also, but I kind of stopped. This is the used. Actually it's used, for me it's new. This is really similar to the other video, and actually really similar in most of the cars. Remove the arms, remove this trim over here, remove the rubber, and the motor and the arms are located right there. So once you remove these plastic covers, you have access to the nuts, one here and another one right there. We just need to remove, and then remove the arms. Guys, I will use the right tool to do this. You can remove it by your hand, as I mentioned in the last video, but it's not the safest or the best way to do it. The tool to remove this, it's really cheap. So in my opinion, don't make any sense to force it. And actually, if they never been removed, it will be kind of difficult if you force it with the hand, and you can damage the arm, and don't make any sense. So guys, let's go to remove the arms. And guys, this is the tool that I used in the previous video that I will also use on this one. Guys, I bought, in the last video I said that I bought this on AliExpress, but it was on Amazon. It is the same thing, doesn't matter, it's a tool like this, and you don't damage your arms. Okay, let's go. Even using the right tool, since I never removed this, I have no idea if this ever been removed. Actually, you can see it's released, but usually just come out, and this time no. So I'll have to pull it out a little bit with my hand. Okay. So guys, now remove this rubber and remove the trim. Guys, right here I believe there is a connection, so don't pull this out like crazy. Pull it a little bit. You see here there is connectors. Just put this a little bit aside. We don't need to remove or disconnect this hose and this electrical connection, because we have enough room to access on the wiper arm, so I will not remove this fully. And I need to do this kind of fast because it's raining. You can see it. It's raining and I need to fix this. Okay guys? And guys, it's raining. I need to do this kind of fast to remove. We just need to remove this screw, this one on the middle and this one on here on the right side. Okay, let's remove. I believe it's a 10 mil, and let's go. All you need to do right now is to remove it and disconnect the motor. And it's out. This one should be the original one, because I believe it's the exact same as the one that I bought. Yeah. Let's replace. To install, you just need to wiggle a bit because you don't have many space right here. Just wiggle a bit, adjust the position on the screws holes, and that's it. So guys, right now I can at least drive in the rain. I'm not driving this car, but sometimes I need to move it. Just one advice: before you replace the motor or all together, don't forget to check if it's not working, if it's a fuse, if it's a relay. In my case, I already knew it, because when I turn it on, they are like moving like in steps. One step, one step, one step, the motor was stuck. So you can repair the motor, you can replace the motor, you can replace all together. I just replaced all together because I found this one on a good price, and that's the reason. Thanks for watching, as usual. See you soon. Stay tuned. Bro, the dog is following me. Look. Holy. Oh no, I can't take you home, bro. I have cats. Bye, man. No. No. Bye bye.